Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Check that the backup email listed on your Google account is one you control and can sign into. Once done, prepare a second device for codes and open the Gmail sign-in page, then tap Forgot Password. Make sure to enter the account email exactly. Small typos block recovery. Google will offer recovery via your backup address if available, so select that option. This first step establishes secure contact and unlocks the path to receive the recovery link or code. Now focus. Open your backup email inbox and search for a message from Google. Check spam and promotions folders as well. Once you find the recovery email, either click the secure link or copy the numeric code it contains. Enter that code into the Gmail recovery prompt immediately because codes typically expire within minutes. If the link opens a device prompt, follow on-screen steps to confirm your identity. After verification, Google will let you set a new password or confirm account settings, so proceed carefully. Finish by choosing a strong new password and sign in. Make sure you save it in a password manager. Once in, immediately review your recovery settings, confirm the backup email, update your phone number, and enable two-step verification to prevent repeat lockouts. If the backup email didn't work or you were denied, use Google's account recovery form and supply exact past details, previous passwords, creation date, frequently used locations. If nothing works, wait 24 to 72 hours and retry. Repeated attempts with accurate data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.